Hi, this is Scott from Specter Gear. We're out on the range, and I'm going to be talking a little bit about the Mini-14. This is going to go into that Mini-14 knowledge base that I've been working on for a bit. And for this video, I want to talk a little bit about the Mini-14 safety system. You really don't hear it discussed in terms of it being a good thing or a bad thing, but I want to propose that the Mini-14 safety system is one of the better things about this weapon. To begin with, it differs from a typical AR-15 system in that it's actually within the trigger guard. It's actually a part of the trigger guard assembly, and thus it is completely ambidextrous. Whereas with an AR-15, you have to use your thumb to get it, and in some cases, for instance for me, I have to actually move my hand forward a little bit and catch it with the tip of my thumb. So the AR-15 safety system actually isn't all that fast, and if you're a lefty, it's further problematic in that you either have to modify the weapon to have a safety on the correct side or adopt a completely different firing grip. Nice thing about the Mini-14, whether you're a right-handed person or a left-handed person, not a problem. One thing that's particularly fascinating about this, in its simplicity, is the fact that if your finger is going to the trigger, because some people will say, well, you have to stick your finger in the trigger guard to take the safety off. Yeah. You also have to put your finger in the trigger guard to press the trigger. And one should not release the safety until they're ready to do that, so it's the perfect arrangement. Your finger goes into the trigger guard, presses out, and then you're ready to go. Now, of course, the bolt's locked to the rear. We're going to get nothing out of that. And then putting it back on, finger has to be outside of the trigger guard to apply it. So it's just something that I wanted to talk about as one of the more beneficial points of the Mini-14, is something that I think was a pretty good idea. Of course, we know where it was adopted from. It came from the M1 Garand, and that dates back, of course, all the way to World War II, and I don't remember any of the GIs complaining about their safety at that point. So just a real quickie. So with that, I'll go ahead and bring it to a close. Thank you for watching and or listening. And if you're interested in more information concerning our Mini-14 products, please visit us at spectergear.com. Thanks and have a great day.